Hey, it's Josh from ClerkChat. Today I'm going to show you how to use our form builder to collect information and generate leads that you can later send messages to while staying fully compliant. Let's build our form first. You can customize it exactly the way you want. Add images, buttons, text, phone number or email input, QR code, or anything you need. Simply select elements and drag and drop. Once you're happy with the structure, you can now choose the style. If you want it to be a pop-up or flyout form, choose colors, customize the layout, and make it perfect for your brand. Once the form is ready, click on Generate Code, follow the instructions, paste the code on your website, and now you have a form that is fully compliant with 10 DLC and ready for an unlimited number of signups. All the data from your forms flows directly into ClerkChat, ready to be used in your campaigns. Collecting customers' info is now easier than ever. Build in minutes and start using immediately.